Welcome to uPHOTOMEASURE version 3. Let's get started by showing you how to load a photo, identify your digitargets, make measurements in 2D and 3D, and export those measurements to an image or Excel worksheet. Select the Create New Project Tutorial to continue. Creating a new project. Once you have the uPHOTOMEASURE software open, select the New Project icon. Find the image you want to measure and open that image. The software will load your image. Next, you'll want to select your digitarget. Once you have your image to be measured open, you'll need to identify your digitarget. Select the Zoom In tool located in the toolbar. You can click multiple times in the area you want to zoom in on, or you can click and drag to quickly zoom in. There are two ways to select your digitarget: Auto Detect mode and Manual mode. In order to use Auto Detect mode, you'll need a clearly identifiable target similar to the one found on the roof of this house. Select Auto Detect mode and your digitarget, and left-click on the center of that digitarget. The software will automatically find the four edges of your target. Enter in the dimensions of your digitarget, give it a special color, and a name. You can adjust and fine-tune your digitarget's results by selecting one of the corners and moving them around. Please remember that for the Auto Detect mode to work, you have to have a clearly visible digitarget with highly contrasting edges. Otherwise, we recommend using Manual mode. Zoom out and make your measurements. Another way to identify your digitarget is by using Manual mode. First, let's create a new digitarget layer by selecting the digitarget icon above the picture. You'll see it creates a new tab, and in this example we're going to use the window on the front of the house as our digitarget. First, we'll need to zoom in, so select the Zoom In icon. Select the digitarget and select Manual mode and locate your four corners. Now enter the digitarget's dimensions. Give it a color and a name. Zoom out, and now you can make your measurements. Making measurements. Once you have your digitargets identified, you can now start making your measurements. First, let's measure the roof. Select the Roof Digitarget tab. Select the Line Measuring tool. Left-click on your picture to start your measurement. Click and drag and release. You can fine-tune your measurements by zooming in to an endpoint, clicking on the end of it and moving it around. You could pan to the other side of your image, and make that adjustment. We'll zoom out. We also have in version 3 a circle measuring tool and a square measuring tool. Let's select the front of the house. Let's select our square measuring tool. Left click at the start of the measurement, drag all the way to the end. You can name your measurement, give it a special color, or delete it. If you do make a mistake, there's always the undo button. Additional features like save, print, and export are located in the File pull-down menu. Select File, save or print or export to image or Excel. Let's look at some sample projects. Here we are in interior kitchen measuring cabinets, outside driveway for concrete pouring, landscape. uPHOTOMEASURE has many applications. Be as creative as you want, and let us know what you think. Thank you for using uPHOTOMEASURE version 3.